Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the network path. This matters more than settings. First, update the console and Rust, then reboot the router and console to clear transient errors. Once done, check your NAT type. Open or moderate lets servers appear, while strict often hides them. Next, enable UPnP in the router interface so ports open automatically. Make sure you save changes and test connection status on the console before moving on. You now lock down address and ports so servers can find you reliably. Reserve a static IP for the console in your router because port rules break if the address changes. Then create port forward entries or confirm UPnP works for the game's ports using the reserved IP. This directs incoming server lists properly. If the host DNS is slow or misbehaving, switch console DNS to Cloudflare or Google. After applying, reboot router and console to apply the network mapping. You finish by verifying the client side. Clear Rust's local cache or uninstall and reinstall the game to reset server lists. If servers still do not appear, temporarily enable DMZ for your console to see if router filtering is the blocker. Remember, DMZ is only for testing. Make sure to revert DMZ after the test. If issues persist, call your ISP to check for carrier-grade NAT or filtered ports. This often explains why consoles cannot see external game servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.